Hi guys, welcome to my Malu coloring channel. The summer is almost over, so with coloring this a very estival coloring page, I'm going to say goodbye summer. And today I'm using my simple coloring pencils, but yet I bought few pencils from Derwent Inktense series. I wanted to try it for a long time, and now here we are. By adding the water, we can get an effect of ink or watercolor. It gives us an opportunity to mix different techniques. So let's try this new medium on my new coloring page.
Speak to me in metaphysical harmony.
I want to start from the ocean. I'll make a background using my simple pencils of different shades because you know the ocean is a very polychromatic thing. And then let's highlight some parts with the dark blue Derwent ink pencil. Let's see what we'll get.
We move in love in its majesty, ever upward to delight in the mystery. Sunrise and love, 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 everlasting. Everybody, sunrise in outer space, love for every face. Sunlight in outer space, love for every face. Sunrise in outer space, love for everybody. Sunrise in outer space, love for everybody. Sunrise in outer space, love for everybody.
One more medium will be my pastel crayons. I recommend to use it for big fields of artwork, just to get common background, and after that we can work on details in these fields.
I'm the one, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm the one, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm the one, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm the one. I'm the one, baby, yeah, yeah. I'm the one, me. I'm the one, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm the one. I'm the one, baby, yeah, yeah. From the sun. I'm the one who hear from the sun. I'm the one who hear from the sun. I'm the one who hear from the sun. I'm the one. I'm the one. One, I'm the one, baby. Hey, hey, I'm the one. Got none, 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 hey, 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 got none. Honeycomb, baby, hey, honeycomb. Honeycomb, be my honeycomb. Honeycomb, yeah, honeycomb. I'm the one, from the sun. Shiny sun, yeah, that sun. That sun, yeah, that sun. I'm the one, y'all none. Now when I left before, they say I wouldn't be back, but now I'm back, and that's a fact. They thought I was dead. They hung me by a long tree, but I came back on the third moment. I rose from the grave. The stone was rolled away. From the grave, I came back. I'm the one. Hey, I'm the one. I'm the one. Yeah. I'm the one. I'm the one. Hey, I'm the one. I'm the one, baby. I'm the one. I'm the one. Hey, from the sun. From that sun, yeah.
Before coloring a girl, we need to choose suitable shades for her skin. It is better to check colors on a separate page and choose the perfect one. This tool will be okay.
Look out, yeah, look out. I'm back, hey, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back, baby. I'm back, honey. I'm back. I'm back, I'm back.
And now the clouds. Don't forget to highlight some parts of clouds. I use my white marker, but you can do it with crayons or white pencils as well.
It's time for me to wake up. For no matter how I dream, it always makes me cry. If you live in fables, then you know what I mean. For that is a world where things aren't what they seem. Baby, do bad. For no matter how I dream, it always makes me cry. Dreaming, stop me from dreaming oh, you make my dreams come true. Dreaming, just a dreaming. It's time for me to wake up. For no matter how I dream, it always makes me cry. If you live in fables, then you know what I mean. For that is
Okay, these are the finishing touches. I really hope you like this tutorial and will try to mix different mediums in your coloring activity. Please don't forget to like if you read and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, stay creative and inspired.